Hello everybody and welcome to all of you to this presentation. My name is Shabbab Alotaibi from Saudi Arabia. This paper is part of a doctoral research conducted at Loughborough University under the supervision of Professor Prof and Mohamed Osmani. This presentation talks about the experience of the Saudi Ministry of Interior about adapting the standard design model approach. The content of presentation: introduction, the standard design models approach adapted by the Saudi Ministry, methodology adapted for this paper, findings and conclusions. Introduction. This introduction gives an overview of the Saudi construction projects. Of course, the construction industry in Saudi Arabia is considered as one of the major industrial sectors of the Saudi economy. Doing a literature review in the Saudi context revealed that, by and large, projects suffered from delay. The literature identified a number of reasons behind this delay. One of these reasons is that a lack of communication and coordination between designers and contractors. Also, change orders ranked as one of the several problems causing delay in construction projects. The underachievement of a project's performance pushed the Saudi government to improve the performance of projects to achieve high performance and value for money from construction projects. This was done through creating a process of adapting high standard criteria for improving contractors' performance. Also, there is a cooperation with international contractors to benefit from their experiences and skills. At the same time, the Saudi Ministry of Interior has adapted this approach, the standard design models approach, for implementing its projects. Now, I will talk about the standard design models approach. The idea of launching standard design models was based on: the ministry is one of the largest organizations in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It needs, the ministry, for a significant number of large buildings to house its departments. The ministry expects achieving a number of advantages of using this approach. These are introducing unified standards for materials, introducing unified standards for specifications, introducing unified standards for building style, control of operations during the construction phase, repetition for process management, transferring the necessary knowledge between STM projects to stimulate project success. The production of SDM has a number of stages: design phase, adaptation of SDM to a context, tendering phase, construction phase. I'll focus on adaptation of SDM to context. This is because this stage, adaptation of SDM to a context, is a crucial stage in the SDM approach, because through this stage many of mistakes, some improvements could be achieved through using lesson learned from previous projects or completed projects, and this will be affecting the performance of future projects, because the standard design model projects are repetitive projects. Therefore, this paper aims to assess the experience of the Saudi Ministry of Interior in adapting this approach as a strategic choice for implementing the ministry projects. It identifies the critical success factors affecting the adaptability of SDMS to context. Methodology adapted for this paper is a case study. 4 case studies were selected involving 2 ongoing and 2 completed projects. SDM projects. This involved conducting interviews with key stakeholders and documentation. Findings. The study revealed that there are 5 critical success factors affecting the process of improvement of SDM projects. Collaboration, the need to collaboration between the design and supervision departments. The study revealed that there is a serious gap between these departments. So there are bleeding lessons. Of course, design modification and material specifications amendment were affected by this gap, between the supervision and design departments. because there was missed lessons between the two departments. Also, the study revealed that there is a need to central database, to create central database to store the lesson learned coming from completed projects, even ongoing projects. To be disseminated for the future projects. So the dissemination of lesson learned is considered as a crucial factor to benefit from the lessons, the knowledge captured from completed projects, to improve the performance and to achieve sustained improvement. Conclusions. The paper showed that the SMI experience of adapting the standardization of design and the process through an STM approach led to sustained performance improvement through learning from past mistakes. The paper contributed towards to encourage design of projects for ease of construction, making maximum use of standardization of design, materials specifications, and the process. Also, it concluded that one of the key issues is to explore how STM project performance can be improved. The improvement trajectory was low despite the adoption of an STM approach. Also, a further contribution highlighted the occurrence of repetitive mistakes in design and specifications from project to project. The paper highlighted the need for an integrated improvement process through the three stages: design adaptation of STMs to contact management, and construction management, in order to facilitate the application of learning and in STM projects. Also, the paper contributed to the debate on the importance of communication and coordination between stakeholders as a tool for exchanging experiences and skills, both intra-project and inter-project, in order to increase knowledge sharing. The SDMS approach is matching up with the call for innovation, learning, as well as standardization. Therefore, a carefully planned engagement process should facilitate the process of building a clear methodology for identifying, capturing, documenting, and reusing a lesson learned for ongoing and future STM projects. This should be in parallel with creating a central database. Thank you for listening, and best wishes to all of you.